So in the last video, we have solved a problem using the equations which was derived in the previous video. Now we will see the next topic, that is loop closure equation. Loop closure equation. So loop closure equation can be defined as, or it can be summarized as, the sum of the relative position vectors for the links forming a closed loop in the mechanism taken in order is always 0. So this is known as the loop closure equation. That is, when we take the sum of the relative position vectors for any link, let us consider a 4-bar mechanism. If we consider 4 links and the relative position of each link with another, okay, and when they are put in order, or summed in order, always the resultant will be 0. So this is the loop closure equation, and by taking the different examples of different mechanisms, we are going to see this loop closure equation. So let us first consider example 1, that is loop closure equation for a 4-bar mechanism. So initially let us consider a Cartesian coordinate system as a reference system here. So let us consider a 4-bar mechanism, P, Q, R and S. So let us represent the vectors here. So the resultant vectors can also be mentioned, PQ, QR, RS, and here SP. So now let us first take the absolute position vectors of points P, Q, R and S. So they are given by position vector of P is given by OP, which is represented by vector P. Similarly, position vector of Q is given by OQ, represented by Q, as I have represented already here. So then the position vector of R is given by OR, represented by vector R. Then the position vector of S is given by OS, represented by vector S. Now the relative position vectors. Let us consider the relative position vector of points P, Q, R and S. Relative position vectors of points P, Q, R and S. So here first point, relative position vector of Q with respect to P. Relation position vector of Q with respect to P will be given as PQ, as I have already shown in the diagram, and it is given by Q minus P, vector Q minus vector P. As you can see, the directions of the vectors, that is this and this, are in the opposite directions, therefore Q minus P. Similarly, relative position vector of R with respect to Q, R with respect to Q is given by QR, and it is given by vector R minus vector Q. As you can see here, vector R minus vector Q. So similarly, the relative position vector of S with respect to R is given by the vector RS, and it is given by vector S minus vector R. Similarly, the relative position vector of P with respect to S is given by vector SP, that is vector P minus vector S. Now, as we have defined the loop closure equation, so the sum of relative position vectors, that is PQ, QR, RS and SP. Okay, this is the sum of relative position vectors. So as per our loop closure equation definition, this should be equal to 0, that is Q minus P plus R minus Q plus S minus R plus P minus S is equal to 0, that is PQ plus QR plus RS plus SP is equal to 0. So this is loop closure equation for the closed loop of the given 4-bar mechanism. So this is 1 represents loop closure equation for the closed loop of the given 4-bar mechanism. Now let us consider case 1, some cases in a 4-bar mechanism. Let us consider first case, that is case 1. So here the direction of the vectors will be changed, and we will see how exactly the loop closure equation will be formed. So this is the direction of link PQ. This is QR, RS, but the link PS has a opposite direction vector. Opposite direction, so vector. So here, sum of relative position vectors is equal to PQ plus QR plus RS minus PS, because the direction is opposite or different, minus PS. So that is equal to Q minus P plus R minus Q plus S minus R minus S minus P is equal to 0. That is PQ plus QR plus RS minus PS is equal to 0. So this is one condition. So this is this equation represents, let this be equation number 2. So this equation represents loop closure equation for the closed loop of the given 4-bar mechanism. So this is the given 4-bar mechanism, and this equation represents the loop closure equation for the given 4-bar mechanism. Let us consider case 2. So the relative vector is given as PQ here, QR, RS and PS. As we can see here, two of the links are having opposite directional vector here. So therefore, sum of relative position vectors is given by PQ plus QR minus RS minus PS. So that can also be written as Q minus P plus R minus Q minus of S minus R minus S minus P. And as per our loop closure equation, the sum of relative position vectors will be equal to 0. Therefore, the equation here becomes PQ plus QR minus RS minus PS is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. So let us make the video short. Let us close here this video. Let us close this video here. In the next video, we will take up the loop closure equation for slider crank mechanism and offset slider crank mechanism, and I'll explain both of them. Thank you.